Ladies and gentlemen, my friends, welcome back here on the 𝗪𝗫𝗀. As you know, after every Banter show on the Banter Plus channel, I'm coming here we're gonna make this into a routine. I don't promise we're gonna do it every day, but I want to give you the trades, I want to give you the ideas, I want to give you my look on the market and how can you take it to your advantage every single day with scalps, with long-term trades and much more. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. If you appreciate this, me being here on the 𝗪𝗫𝗀 Club, please smash and obliterate the like button. I know I asked this, but we've got a lot of people watching. We need the likes. We need the algorithm to start working on the channel again. I help you completely for free every single day. Please help me with sharing it, loving it, commenting after the show on the live chat. Let me know if you're here, and of course, liking the show as well. I see a lot of you talk about what happened with the 𝗪𝗫𝗀, the Banter Plus stream. And what happened is we need to edit something out. So we are doing that, and once that's done, it will be back here. Now let me see. Let's go. Mace1000. Let's go. Yo, what's happening? Hassan, smash the like for Fefe. Thank you so much. Present. Tino, I got back to you. I'm sending you a Bitfunded account because why not? Give me an offer to my Bitfunded challenge. Give me an offer. I'll do it. Done, my friend. Great. Thank you. Like, thank you. Missed the Banter live. It will come back. Very soon. Cause is already on it. Is already editing. It will come back. Let's print. I agree here too. Gene, I think I see you. I see your comment. I don't know why you're saying you don't see it. Dre, what's happening? Thanks for your time. Always, Dave. Always. All I ask is a like. Okay, let's go. Let's look at the market. So general, what I said, AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. What was really going to happen on the total market cap, in my opinion, is that we are going to see we did see a liquidation already onto the downside, but I think we should see a liquidation to the upside. So what I'm counting on is a push all the way up here, a rejection from there on the 5-minute, and then a continuation lower. This is what I would like to see, and then we'll see what happens. I also got some feedback now in a WhatsApp message that not a lot of you guys understand liquidity, order blocks, whatnot, so I'm going to focus on explaining much more on those. But in general, what you got to understand is that limit orders are placed at certain places, for example here, and for example here. So everybody who was shorting on New York and who was shorting on Asia, they play. Oh, this both Asia is horrible. It's 100% going to be taken. 100%. So this here is relative equal lows, and that means that people who actually I might take a long position here. With a tight stop, I'm going to take a long position here. With a tight stop, and I'm going to explain everything. I'm just looking at it. Why not? What should we long? Cause what is good long? And did you look through the market here? 𝗙𝗍 looks dope. 2% stop loss. I'm gonna do that. I'm playing for a quick scalp here. Very important to identify your risk reward. 𝗙𝗍 is down at a decent place. That would be about 2% stop loss if that happens. If I go in 10x, that means I'm losing 20% of the amount that I put in. Let's say I put in $2.5 grand. That's $400. This would be $5,000. That's $1,000. That's still good. I'm gonna take this. It's a short scalp. I mean, it's a quick scalp. Stop loss 195, 196, 196. Okay, it's $1,500 that I'm not happy about. Did I take 25? No, 10x leverage. How much? That's 20% of my margin. 20%. Oh yeah, because it's 6,000. Okay, good. Never mind. I think it's still good. So I took this trade on the competition. I'm not touching this on my main account. The reason why I took this trade is the following. One, because I believe that we need to get a push above this relative equal highs on New York, in Asia. There is an OB that caused the dump here, and we need to see liquidations. I was surprised that we took Asia low, but because we took Asia low liquidation, maybe we got another week here. But in general, what I would imagine is that maybe we retest New York low, but I don't think so. What I rather think is we're going to start pushing, and once we start, maybe on the 5-minute, we get a market structure shift here. Yes, maybe we get a liquidation here. Maybe that's going to happen. But that's fine. I'm gonna move my stop loss a little bit lower, And just because I want to make sure that I don't get wick through here. I don't think it's happening, but just to make sure I moved it a little bit lower. So in general, what happens is that you get a liquidation, and once you have a liquidation, which happened now on Asia low, London liquidates, you got to see a market structure shift. And when that market structure shift happens, that's when a reversal happens and targets the other side of the liquidity, in this case, Asia high. And what is very interesting is that we've got a lot of things going on here, and this is why I dedicated to help you. I'm going to just tell you, obviously not financial advice, I'm going to tell you what I'm doing, is that if we take my sentiment is basically bearish. So if we take this OB here, I'm going to short it. But until then, because we took the Asian liquidity, and because this is a New York low here that initiated the move and created a market structure shift on New York close, I do think that we are in a good position to see a push from here after this liquidation. And the push will probably be like about, what is this, 2%? 1.5-2% into the daily OB, and then we can short it from there. But it's worth a quick scalp on a strong coin, and this is why 𝗬𝗎 could be a great contestant. If you look at this, 𝗬𝗎 is down on the 15-minute, but even on the hourly, most likely. Look at this. Yes, it could not close above. Okay, I'm not happy about that. But even on the 30-minute, this is actually a great level on 𝗬𝗎. This is actually a great level on 𝗬𝗎. It came back to the OB. We had a retrace. We just need to see a 5-minute market structure shift. It's building up liquidity already. Maybe it's coming a little bit lower. Maybe it's coming a little bit lower. I want to see this wick and then a reversal there. That would be ideal. This is what I want to see, and then we can target this liquid. This is definitely going to get taken today. This here. There's no way that they leave Asia high without any liquidity swipe. So okay. Let me know if we can see the show. All right. So we're saying very true. Appreciate your thoughts on 𝗬𝗎 yesterday, bro. Sitting at 1000% went full DJ. I'm so happy. What do you think about 𝗙𝗔𝗂 wild goat coin? It's probably a piece of shit. Like, I think nothing about it, because I think this is the way you can really lose everything. You lose your account, and just simply not worth it. Simply not worth it. Would love to one 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 account. Hassan, I'm going to get you one as well. Just send me a DM. I'm going to get you one as well. What do you think about? Okay, so let's go, guys. Let me know. We got 200 people watching and 70 people liked. So you know what we're going to do? I'm going to pour some water. I'm going to drink water. And if we don't get above 120 likes, we have to stop the stream. And I told you yesterday, don't test me on this. One time, maybe we will stop it because we don't get the likes. But for me, the most important is to help you people, to help you guys. And the only thing I ask is likes. And you gotta say, I'm a like whore. And it's fine, bro. It's fine. I have so many things to do, but I thought this is a time to really come here, help you guys. Only thing we need is 120 likes. Great traders I found here. I agree with you. What do you think about, okay, wild goat going to the moon? Okay, Tony. Sure. Would love 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏. I know a lot of you would. We gotta do it. We gotta do it. Either degen. AR, let's go. Oh, we're only at 100 likes. You guys think I'm joking? That's the thing. You guys think I'm joking? 105. Just got liquidated on my cash position. Please help me with a 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 account. If you got liquidated, you need more than a 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 account. You need knowledge, and it's good that you're here. It's good that you're here. Would like more than once if it was possible. Yes, we're at 105 likes, guys. But it was fun. It was fun checking in here with you. TRX, I'd love to. It's Turbo, goodbye. I'd love to look at it. Render and Sol, please. Would love to look at it. Here, Gary Gensler wants a 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏𝗀 account. He will need it. When Trump gets elected next Tuesday, he will need it. How was your fast? I'm fasting again. You know, I'm doing it interestingly now, because what I'm doing is that I'm doing fast for some time, and no, I only eat dinner, so I only eat like 8 o'clock, and I only eat keto diet. Hit the like button for more alpha. 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 knows it. Tell us more about the 8 years experience, bruh. You have to check the $1 billion hustle for that. You have to check the $1 billion hustle. Until we get the likes, I'm going to show you. This is the $1 billion hustle. We are up $250, by the way. But this is the $1 billion hustle here. This is our vlog. We have 200 people here. You probably know this already. But if you don't, this is the $1 billion hustle. I show you everything here. It's incredible. And we have 630 views on the last episode. Have you seen it? It's actually quite fucking cool.
This one trade that I have open. This.
Oh, by the way, what happened and why the show is not available is also going to be in the $1 Billion Hustle. So you will be able to come here and see, you know, why the show has been taken down and what we need to edit out. I don't want to say it now, but it may be in the episode. We got 126 likes, guys. Thank you so much. Let's go. Will I release my course? Yes. The best is intermittent fasting. Yes. With keto diet, but I'm vegetarian, so eating meat is, I'm not eating meat, so I'm eating cheese and I'm eating all this keto stuff. 2, 3, 20. I've done it for 3 weeks straight, and I felt like I lost 7 kilos in 3 weeks, but I feel like my muscle is suffering it, so I'm not doing it. It's ayahuasca. It's the same thing. Ayahuasca and DMT are very similar. I have never done DMT as itself, so I've done ayahuasca, which is basically the root that is able to bind the DMT into your blood, and therefore it lasts for 4, 5, 6 hours rather than just 2 minutes. So I'm doing it as well. That's also gonna be in the $1 Billion Hustles. I'm going in November. I'm going back to Mother Ayahuasca. I'm gonna have a chat with her and see what's up. So this is why I have to lose weight. Love it, $1 Billion main idea. Main idea. Great. Lagged on my phone too. Great. Legend. All right, let's go. Let's do some thoughts on 𝗪𝗲𝗄. Someone just got liquidated on 𝗪𝗲𝗄. So we got to look at 𝗪𝗲𝗄. There's no other way. Here we go. How did you get liquidated just now? Like, I would want to see. Like, probably it was a 50x leverage position or something like that. I don't understand how you could be liquidated here. But anyway, we have about 15 minutes to go, by the way, because Ren is going live and I want to watch his show. So 𝗪𝗲𝗄, massive sell-off, about 21% sell-off right into the weekly OB. I need to see a higher high here. If 𝗪𝗲𝗄, I'm actually going to mark this. It's not going to happen before elections. But if it does, could be a great trade. So 𝗪𝗲𝗄, if 𝗪𝗲𝗄 goes above 11.4, it's a great buy. Until then, don't do anything. 𝗙𝗘𝗙𝗘, let's go. Next time when you guys jump in, just like the show and then we can get going faster. We can get all the alpha ready. Yeah, great. Look at this. This was actually quite decent. I was expecting it to come down here to this. It didn't come quite well, but it came back to this order block, which is great. Made a market structure shift here. It pumped 7% since. So it's not bad. It comes back to the daily, makes a high there. Let me look at 1 hour. Yes, so the problem is that on the higher time frame, on the 4 hour and the daily, is just a retrace to the day. This is actually a perfect fucking short. If we come back here, take note. If we come back to on the total, if we come back here, I'm gonna short 𝗙𝗍. 𝗙𝗍 is a perfect fucking short. It's perfect. It's beautiful. Comes back on the 4 hour and there's no liquidity built up. It's actually very good. So far I'm not interested. Once we go back to the 4 hour OB there, it's building up liquidity already just above there. Look at this. It's just above there. Building up liquidity. Just above there. Yeah, beautiful. It's probably gonna do this. Maybe wick through. Market structure shift lower. This is what I'm looking at here and say. 𝗫, let's look at 𝗫. The reason why I'm not trading 𝗫 is because I've traded it once and it's such a fucking slow coin that I can't believe. So here we have the weekly OB, comes in higher. I was waiting for this. I explained this. Probably is going to wick through here, come all the way down, and then show a market structure shift. I'm still waiting for that. Until then, I'm not interested in taking 𝗫. I'm not. It's coming in. It came into the OB, beautifully rejected. It can reverse from here, but I don't think it's happening. I'm not touching 𝗫. Not now. Definitely not now. Love your trading show. Got my like. Can you check 𝗪𝗏? Let's go 𝗪𝗏. I love you back, by the way. 𝗪𝗏 USDT. Great. Decent looking. I'm not happy about the fact that it comes back to the daily here, or the hourly here, sorry. So I'm not happy about this. It does have a very decent push and it comes back 50. So if you would see a market structure shift down here, if you would see it come back to 50, it's not the right one, so it's down here. So if you would see it come back here, I would be interested. I might be interested. If it comes back there. It's not that bad. I don't know what 𝗪𝗏 is like. I don't. If it comes back a bit more, it's not bad. If it comes back a bit more, just a tiny bit more, 10.6. If it comes back 10.6, goodbye. Wait for a market structure shift in 5 minutes. But in general, if you see this, goodbye, great buy. Not goodbye, but good buy. Okay. 𝗙𝗙𝗘. Let's. Oh, by the way, guys, I have to tell you about this meme. Fuck, it's incredible. It's first of all, very important for you to know. Okay, I'm gonna talk about 𝗙𝗙𝗘 as well. Very important for you to know. I bought a bag. Okay, I'm not selling, And I have no affiliation with the team. I don't know them. I don't know anything about them. I never talked to them. But this shit is this is the shit. I'm telling you. I genuinely see this meme pulling. I don't know what the team is like. I don't know how active the community is. But the idea is incredible. Look at this. It's called Fridge. So this entire project will be run off of a Samsung 636L AI family hub fridge at my local mall. So these guys, anyway, so they had it in the mall, but now they installed it. They took it home. Like they had a proper video as they like put it in. It's decent, bro. And they have like a coin, and they are listed on Poloniex. It just launched. What the fuck is this? What is this? Oh my god, where is it at? I called this at 2.8 million. So when I tweeted about it, it was 2.8 million. But these are the things that you buy and you just don't look at them. Like you just buy them and just try to make like a 5x and then, oh, it's down. It's 2.4. Okay, not that bad. I genuinely think this thing can run. I'm not even kidding. It's such a great idea. Anyway, 2.4 million is not that bad. It's not that bad. I think it's great. I might add to my position here. Damn, it went down to 1.2 mil. Wow. Jeets out. How does the holders look like? Yeah, I hope it's radium here. What is this? Oh, it's the dev. No, it's liquidity pool. That's why. Okay, good. Someone holds 2.8. That's good. And it's also equal distributed, seems like. Okay, this is the same guy. Definitely. It's done. Yeah, put it up. The show is back up on the $1 billion on the Banter Plus channel. Okay, so this is cool. Anyway, and let's talk about 𝗙𝗘𝗘. You told me that to let you know when I'm getting into something. I think this thing can go at 10x. I genuinely think it. But again, I don't know anything about them. Like I just like the idea and I think it's cool. See how I agree? It's so cool. I think it's so funny. Okay, so 𝗙𝗘𝗘 is not loading. Does it load for you, cuz? What's happening here? 𝗙𝗘𝗘 is not loading from. What's happening here? Okay, I don't know what's happening here. I don't know why it doesn't load. There's something up with I think it's something to do with okay, I don't know why it's not working. Anyway, I don't want to spend time on this. I don't know why it's not working. We love 𝗙𝗘𝗘. 𝗙𝗘𝗘, big things are coming to 𝗙𝗘𝗘. I know it. I talked to the team. Big things are coming for 𝗙𝗘𝗘. I can't tell you anything else, but big things are coming for 𝗙𝗘𝗘. Let's see what else we have here. AR. Where did it come back? Yeah, so same, like I'm still waiting for this, you know? Like AR is going to be big. Big. So buy the dip is an opportunity, but I need to see a market structure shift. Currently, I need to see a high break above 18.5, okay? If I see this, I'm interested to buy. If I don't see that, I still need to see one. So then something like this. AR is going to be one of my biggest trades, I think, when we start pumping. AR is going to be one of my biggest trades. The total market cap is coming down. I don't like this. I think it's going to take this liquidity. So I might just close some of my positions here. I'm up $150, which is great. Did it show? We have to take this liquidity. Like, I think we have to. We created relative equal lows, but I don't think we're taking that. I think we're taking this. So I'm leaving the position open. AR is going to be one of my biggest trades, but it needs to. There is someone selling. I think there's something happening, but need to break out. It's coming, and it's probably going to be free on YouTube, to tell you the truth. Like, I have an idea of a paid product. I'm not going to tell you yet. There's going to be a mastermind. It's going to be good. Let's go render. Same shit. Look, big OB here. I'm not happy about this. Big OB here. But so far it's rejection. Render is also great short, bro. It's not perfect. It's not perfect like 𝗙, but it's a decent short. What was the rejection on 𝗙? Yeah. Not really. So render is probably better. Render is probably better. If we get a retrace, if we see that pump, render is a great short. But until then, until we have a break above, which I don't think is going to have before election, I'm not interested. Bonk. Let's look at bonk. You see beautiful rejection. Beautiful rejection. I think we're going down. We just got to have this retrace and we're going down. Bonk. I waited for this and I said we got to come lower somewhere here and then show a reaction and then show market structure shift, but we couldn't. You see it again, it couldn't break above. More and more I look at this, the more clear it gets that it's, you know, it's done. Can you look at 𝗏𝗃? I think we looked at it. It keeps dropping. I don't know if we looked at it yet, but let's do it. Oh, we did. We did start with this. I need to see a market structure shift. Need to see a market structure shift. What is my position doing here? Where am I in the competition? I think Ren was falling here. Ren was falling here. It's down to number 6. Yeah. How sad this is. I'm excited to look at it. This is why I want to watch his show. This is one of the reasons why I want to watch his show. Yeah, I want to. What he's going to say, and he's kind of right, but he's going to say, oh, but I have 200%, 186%, and you only have 120. So it would be awesome to beat him in percentages as well. That would be an ultimate beating. We need to make a stance, right? He doesn't think I can trade, so you know it's important to like make a stance. Cody. Same. It literally comes back to this OB. Like, I can't be bullish on these tokens here. I can't. Just simply can't. Look at this decent rejection. This is incredible rejection. Bam! It's coming for a retest. Cody is also a good short. Cuz. Mark it up, please. Cody is a good short if it comes back. Do you want... Rarely. Honestly, I will be honest with you. Rarely because I have a lot of things to do. Fefe should start a Discord. Fuck no. Please. I don't want to start a Discord. Please don't. Just please don't make me do that. I should troll Ren on his show. I wanted to hijack his show, but I don't think I can. We'll see. Ren is only middleweight. Yes. 𝗏𝗏𝗧. Let's go. I shorted 𝗏𝗧 at some point, but I closed it. Yeah, it broke above here though, which is kind of cool. Like 𝗏𝗧 looks very, very strong to be honest. If it comes back 50, I would take this though. Yeah, it perfectly aligns. I think we'll have a retest. 𝗏𝗧 would be a great buy down here at 42.4 for a trade. 42.4, not a bad one. 42.4. I'm actually gonna set an alert here. I think it's a great area to enter. From my experience, Ren is not good at charting. He's the fundamental guy. He's the fundamental genius. You should try to smoke 𝗙𝗏𝗃 instead of pure DMT. Yeah. Gives a very different experience compared to ingested DMT like ayahuasca. So yeah, I someone you know and I know and a lot of people know told me about 𝗙𝗏𝗃. They say it's like it rips your soul out. I've never tried it, but maybe I will. Maybe I will. We will vouch for you. Thanks. Run is coming. Creepy voice. Dude. Can you jump onto Ren's show like he does with Sheldon? I think, you know what? Maybe. I'll ask Joe. Maybe, let's see. Maybe. Let's see. You guys are going to be the first ones to know. Okay, ask Joe. Let's see what it says. 20 minutes till run. Jup. Let's look at it. Jupiter was very heavy. It was very, very heavy. I was... Maybe it's happening, guys. I can't confirm or deny the fact that it might happen. But shh, keep it silent, okay? Shh, it's between us. Don't tell no one. Don't tell no one. I'm not saying it's happening, but maybe. Okay. All right, cool. Jupe. Yeah, it was heavy. So it's heavy. There was like a massive liquidity built up here, which is okay. So it's heavy. It's kind of heavy. I would not be surprised to see Jupiter go under $1 here. Coming back to this 91.7 region would be decent, depending on what the market does. But in general, this is what I'll be looking at. Tia. Let's get Tia. Tia on the daily looks decent. Tia on the daily looks decent. We have a liquidity area here, although it's much higher liquidity. Like this is very similar to AR. Very similar to AR. So I do think that we're gonna get a pump at some point, but we need to see a break above. Now we do have a break above here, which is great. We have a break above into this daily OB, or what is it? Yeah, it's daily OB. It's great. And it comes back. Yeah, maybe it has bottomed. Like I would not be surprised taking this liquidity. Maybe another 5% dump. Let's see what this is. And then reverse from there. But in general, this could be a very good buy. Like if you fundamentally think TI is gonna be here, I think it's a good buy. I think it's a good buy. Okay, guys, but I have to leave. Unfortunately, Ren is starting very, very soon. So I appreciate you being here. Was a little bit of lower show, but I think we covered a lot of things. Yeah, I think that's it. There's nothing more to it. I need a little bit of brother Fefe wants to get fired. I might today, guys. I might. So please subscribe to the channel. Come back here tomorrow as well. See how it goes. Tomorrow I can do a live. I don't have time, but yeah, just it's such a weird stream, but it was so good. Like we literally just looked at the charts. What's with the trade? Yo, what's with the trade? I don't know. Oh, it's back to entry. It's back to entry. I'm concerned about the fact that it's building up liquidity here. I don't like this. When you have tokens building up liquidity like this, usually they take that liquidity, and liquidity taking would be something like this. But it's 1%, nothing. So I'm not concerned. If this move happens though, like TIA can come down a little bit lower, even weak that through. I'm gonna stick in here. I have a proper risk management, and then just let's see how it goes. We'll take it step by step, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Truly appreciate you. And I will see you in the next one or soon. Take care. Ciao.